Hello friend, welcome in another brand new video. Today our topic is DNS. What is the DNS? How DNS work? DNS lets user connect to websites using domain name instead of IP address. Learn how DNS works. What is DNS? The domain name system. DNS is the phone book of the internet. Human access information online through domain names like nighttimes.com or espn.com. Web browser interact through internet protocol IP addresses. DNS translate domain name of IP address so browser can load internet resources. Each device connected to the internet has a unique IP address with the machine used to find the device. DNS server eliminates the need of human to memorize IP address such as 192.168.1.1 in IPv4 or more complex newer alphanumeric IP addresses such as 2400 ratio CB 00 ratio 2048 ratio 1 ratio C629 ratio D7A2 in IPv6. How does DNS work? The process of DNS resolution involves converting a host name such as a www.example.com into a computer friendly IP address such as 192.168.1.1. An IP address is given to each device on the internet, and that address is a necessary to find the appropriate internet device. Like the street address is used to find a particular home when a user wants to load a web page, and translation must occur between what is a user type into web browser example.com and the machine friendly address necessary to locate the example.com web page. In order to understand the process behind the DNS resolution, it's important to learn about the different hardware component a DNS query must pass between. For the web browser, the DNS lookup occur behind the scene and require no interaction from the user computer apart from the initial request. There are 4 DNS servers involving a loading page. DNS recursor. The recursor can be thought of the librarian who is asked to go find a particular book somewhere in the library. The DNS recursor is a server designed to receive queries from the client machine through applications such as a web browser. Typically, the recursor is then responsible for making additional requests in the order to specify the client's DNS query. Root name server. The root server is the first step in translating resolving human readable host name into IP address. It can be thought of like an index in the library that point to different racks of books. Typically, its servers can be referenced to other more specific location. TLD name server, the top level domain server. TLD can be thought of as a specific rack of book in the library. That name server is the next step in the search for a specific IP address and a host last portion host name in example.com. The TLD server is com. Authoritative name server. The final name server can be thought of as a dictionary of a rack of book in which specific name can be translated into a definition. Hope you can enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe videos.